Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with David.
Hello everyone, I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Today we are going to talk about social media.
Benefits and drawbacks.
David, how are you today?
I am very good, thank you. And you, Sokina?
I am great, thank you for asking. It is a beautiful day today.
Yes, it is. I am very excited to talk about today's topic.
Me too. This is a very interesting topic.
Yes, I think so too. Almost everyone uses social media today.
That is true. I use social media every day.
Me too. I check my phone many times a day. I think many people do that.
Before we start, let me ask you something, David.
Of course, please ask.
What social media do you use?
I use Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
Oh, really? That is interesting.
Yes, I use them every day. What about you, Sokina?
I use YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram.
Wow, that is a lot of social media.
Yes, it is, but I think most people use many platforms.
I agree. Social media is a big part of life today.
That is true. My parents use Facebook too.
Oh, really? My mother uses Facebook every day.
Yes, even older people use social media now.
That is very interesting.
So today, we will talk about the good things and the bad things about social media.
Yes, there are many good things and some bad things too.
I agree. Let's talk about them one by one.
Great idea. I am ready.
Okay, David, let's start with the good things. What do you think is the best thing about social media?
I think the best thing is that we can talk to people far away.
Oh, that is a very good point.
Yes, I have a friend in another country. I talk to him on Facebook.
That sounds great. Without social media, that would be very hard.
Yes, before social media, people wrote letters.
Right. Letters take a long time.
Yes, now I can send a message in 1 second.
That is amazing. I also like that.
What about you, Sokina? What is your favorite thing about social media?
I think my favorite thing is that I can learn new things.
Oh, really? Like what?
For example, I watch English lessons on YouTube.
Oh, wow, that is very useful.
Yes, I can learn English, cooking, music, many things.
That is great. I also watch videos to learn new things.
Social media makes learning very easy.
I agree. You do not need to go to school for everything now.
That is true. You can learn at home.
Yes, and it is free.
That is a very big benefit.
Definitely.
Another good thing is that we can share our lives with others.
Yes, I like to share photos on Instagram.
Me too. I share photos of food, travel, and my family.
That sounds fun. I like to see other people's photos too.
Yes, it is like a small window into someone's life.
That is a nice way to say it.
Thank you. I think social media brings people together.
I agree. Even people in different countries can feel close.
Yes, that is a very beautiful thing.
I have a cousin who lives far away. We chat on social media every week.
Oh, that is so nice. Family is very important.
Yes, social media helps us stay connected.
Connected is a great word. It means we are not far from each other.
Yes, we are always connected.
Now, let's talk about another benefit. Do you think social media is good for business?
Yes, definitely. Many people sell things on social media.
That is true. I see many small shops on Instagram and Facebook.
Yes, people sell food, clothes, and many other things.
It is very easy to start a business now.
I agree. You just need a phone and an account.
That is amazing. Years ago, you needed a real shop.
Yes, now you can sell from your home.
Many people in my neighborhood sell on Facebook.
Me too. My neighbor sells homemade food on Instagram.
Oh, wow, that sounds delicious.
It is. She makes very good cakes.
Maybe I should follow her.
You should.
Okay, so we talked about many good things. Now let's talk about the drawbacks.
Yes, there are some bad things too.
What do you think is the biggest problem with social media?
I think the biggest problem is that people spend too much time on it.
Oh, yes, that is a very big problem.
I sometimes look at my phone for 1 or 2 hours without stopping.
I do that too, and then I feel bad about it.
Yes, we lose a lot of time.
That time could be used for other things.
Like exercise, reading, or spending time with family.
Exactly. It is easy to forget those things when we are on our phones.
I think social media can become like an addiction.
Yes, an addiction means you cannot stop doing something.
Right. Some people feel unhappy when they do not use their phone.
That is not healthy.
I agree. We need balance.
Balance means neither too much nor too little.
That is a great way to explain it.
Another problem is bad information.
Oh, yes, that is a very big problem.
Sometimes people share news that is not true.
Yes, we call that fake news.
Fake news. That is two easy words. Fake means not real. News means information.
So fake news means information that is not real.
Exactly. And it can spread very fast on social media.
Yes, people share things without checking if they are true.
That can cause problems.
Big problems. People can believe wrong things.
We always need to check information before sharing.
That is very good advice.
Another drawback is privacy.
Privacy. What does that mean?
Privacy means keeping your personal information safe and secret.
Oh, I see, like your home address or phone number.
Yes, or your photos and your daily life.
Sometimes people share too much.
Yes, and that can be dangerous.
I try not to share too much personal information.
That is very smart, David.
Thank you. I think everyone should be careful.
I agree. We should think before we post.
Yes, once you post something, it is hard to delete it completely.
That is very true.
Another bad thing is comparing yourself to others.
Oh, yes, I know what you mean.
On Instagram, everyone looks perfect.
Yes, beautiful photos, nice houses, nice clothes.
But real life is not always like that.
That is true. People only share the good parts.
Right. They do not share the bad days.
So when we look at those photos, we feel our life is not good enough.
Yes, and that makes us sad.
That is called comparison, comparing your life to someone else's.
And it is not healthy.
No, it is not. We should remember that social media is not the whole story.
That is a very important lesson.
Yes, everyone has problems. We do not always see them online.
I think that is so true.
Hey, David, let's pause for a moment and talk about some English words from our conversation.
Great idea. I love this part.
We used the word benefit today, do you remember?
Yes, benefit means something good, something helpful.
That is right. For example, one benefit of social media is staying connected.
And we also use drawback.
Yes, drawback means something bad, a problem or disadvantage.
For example, one drawback of social media is wasting time.
Very good, David. You used it perfectly.
Thank you.
Now, let's talk about a very useful word, the word connected.
Connected. It means joined together, not separated.
Yes, for example, social media keeps us connected with friends and family.
I use this word a lot.
Me too. It is a very common word in English.
Can we talk about grammar for a moment?
Of course. What do you want to talk about?
I want to talk about the word can. We used it many times today.
Yes, can is a very important word in English.
We use can to talk about ability, something we can do.
For example, I can learn English on YouTube.
Or we can talk to people far away.
Great examples, David.
Can is the same for everyone. I can, you can, he can, she can.
Yes, that is an important point. It does not change.
Not like other verbs. For example, go becomes goes for he and she.
Right. He goes to school, but we say he can go to school.
With can, the verb after it does not change.
That is a very useful grammar rule for beginners.
I think so too. It is easy to remember.
Now, let's talk about some vocabulary for social media.
Oh yes, there are many special words.
The first word is post.
Post means to put something on social media, a photo, a video, or a message.
For example, I will post a photo on Instagram.
And post can also be a noun. A post is the thing you share.
Right. I saw your post on Facebook.
Good. The next word is follow.
Follow means to subscribe to someone's account. You see their posts.
For example, I follow many English teachers on YouTube.
Yes, and a person who follows you is called a follower.
Follower, that is an easy word.
Yes, this account has 1,000 followers.
What about like?
Oh yes, to like something means to press the heart button or thumbs up.
It shows you enjoy that post.
For example, I liked her photo.
And comment means to write a message under a post.
Yes, please comment below and tell us your opinion.
We do that too on this channel.
Of course, we love reading your comments.
What about share?
Share means to send someone else's post to your friends.
For example, I shared that funny video with my family.
Yes, sharing is very common on social media.
One more word, scroll.
Oh, scroll, that is a great word.
Scroll means to move up or down on your phone screen to see more posts.
For example, I was scrolling through Instagram for 30 minutes.
I do that too. I scroll and suddenly an hour is gone.
Yes, that happens to me too.
So we have learned post, follow, like, comment, share, and scroll.
Those are 6 very important social media words.
If you use social media, you will hear these words every day.
Practice using them in sentences.
That is great advice.
Now I want to ask you something, our listeners.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
What social media do you use every day?
Do you use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube?
Please write your answer in the comments below.
We read all the comments. We love hearing from you.
Also tell us, do you think social media is more good or more bad?
That is an interesting question.
Please share your opinion in the comments.
We would love to know what you think.
Okay, let's continue our conversation.
Yes, we have more to talk about.
David, let's talk about social media and young people.
Oh, that is a very important topic.
Do you think social media is good for children? I think it depends on how they use it. That is a good answer.
If they use it to learn, that is good.
Yes, there are many educational videos for children.
But if they spend all day watching funny videos,
That is not so good.
I agree. Parents need to help children use social media well.
yes, children need guidance.
Guidance means help and direction.
For example, parents can set time limits.
Yes, only 1 hour of social media per day.
That sounds like a good rule.
I think balance is the most important thing.
I agree.
Too much of anything is not good.
That is a very wise saying.
Even too much water is not good for you.
That is true.
So we need to use social media smartly.
Yes, use it for good purposes.
Like learning, staying connected, and sharing positive things.
And avoid fake news, spending too much time, and comparing yourself to others.
That is a perfect summary, David.
Thank you. I try my best.
Let's also talk about social media and jobs.
Oh, yes, this is interesting.
Today, many jobs are connected to social media.
Yes, for example, a social media manager.
What does a social media manager do?
They manage the social media accounts of a company.
They post content, reply to comments, and grow the audience.
That sounds like a fun job.
Yes, it is a new kind of job that did not exist before.
Social media created many new jobs.
Yes, like content creators, influencers, and video editors.
An influencer is a person who has many followers and can influence people.
Influence means to change the way someone thinks or acts,
Yes, influencers recommend products and places.
and they earn money from that.
That sounds amazing.
It is a new way to earn money in the modern world.
The world is changing very fast.
Yes, and social media is a big reason for that.
I think knowing how to use social media well is a good skill today.
I completely agree.
What about cyberbullying? That is also a drawback.
Yes, cyberbullying is a very serious problem.
Cyber means online. Bullying means being mean to someone.
So cyberbullying means being mean to someone online.
It can make people feel very sad.
Yes, it is a big problem, especially for young people.
We should always be kind online.
That is so important. Be kind online and in real life.
Some people say things online that they would never say in person.
That is true because they feel safe behind a screen.
But words can still hurt.
Yes, we must remember that there is a real person on the other side.
Always be kind. Always think before you type.
That is great advice.
If you see someone being bullied online, try to help.
Yes, you can report the problem or support the person.
Being kind is always the right choice.
I love that message. Okay, we have talked about so many things today,
Yes, we talked about the benefits of social media.
like connecting with people, learning new things, and growing a business.
And we talked about the drawbacks.
Like wasting time, fake news, privacy problems, comparison, and cyberbullying.
I think social media is a tool.
Yes, a tool can be used well or badly.
A knife can cut food, but it can also hurt someone.
That is a very good comparison.
Social media is the same. It depends on how you use it.
Use it wisely, and it will help you.
Use it carelessly, and it can cause problems.
That is the most important lesson from today.
I agree.
If you are enjoying this podcast, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, your support helps us make more videos for you.
And share this video with a friend who's learning English.
Sharing is caring.
I love that phrase. Okay, David, I think we talked about everything today.
Yes, it was a very interesting conversation.
I learned some new things too.
Me too. I enjoyed it very much.
I think our listeners learned a lot today.
Yes, new vocabulary, grammar, and ideas about social media.
Let's do a quick review of the words we learned today.
Great idea.
The first word was benefit. It means something good or helpful.
The second word was drawback. It means a problem or something bad.
Connected means joined together.
Privacy means keeping personal information safe.
Fake news means information that is not true.
And for social media words, post, follow, like, comment, share, and scroll.
Excellent review, David.
Thank you, Sokina. You are a great teacher.
And you are a great student.
Thank you.
So everyone at home, practice these words today.
Use them in a sentence. Write them down.
The more you practice, the better your English will become.
Yes.
Practice every day, even just 10 minutes a day. Small steps every day lead to big progress.
I love that message.
Thank you so much, David, for being here today.
Thank you, Sokina. It was my pleasure.
Thank you everyone for listening. You are the reason we make this podcast.
Please like this video if you enjoyed it. It really helps us.
And subscribe to the channel if you have not already.
And leave a comment below. We read every single one.
We will see you in the next episode very soon.
See you in the next episode. Take care, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.